Okay, this is a Kenmore model 1400. It is a 1.2 amp machine. Very nice. And I was using it last night for quilting, and I forgot to take the straight stitch foot off. So I'm going to switch that over to a zigzag foot so I can do some demo sewing for you. Lots of room under the presser foot on this machine. Has a great lift. It uses 15x1 needles, class 15 bobbins. Bobbins and needles are easy to find virtually anywhere. Even your local Walmart is going to have them in stock. So, of course, you can always buy them online. Double needle capable, low shank. Comes with a little box of goodies, including a zipper foot, a button sewing foot, some screwdrivers, bobbins, hammer foot. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 built-in stitches. It is all metal and is in very, very clean cosmetic condition. Freshly serviced and ready to go. The paint's very, very nice. There's hardly any damage to it at all. Very shiny and nice. I'm going to do a little bit of, you have your adjustable stitch length here, adjustable stitch width, the reverse feed dog drop power, and your bobbin winder on the top. As you can see, it's very shiny and paint's very nice. Super, super gorgeous machine. Oh, and I almost messed up. This little insert down here also flips over from straight to zigzag. And almost forgot. That would have been disastrous. I didn't flip that around and then try to sew zigzag. So I'm flipping that little insert around to zigzag. Easy as that. Cover back on. Pull up the bobbin thread. You also get a PDF copy of the instruction manual. And here we go. Nice smooth machine. Very nice stitch, which of course is typical Kenmore. Noise you hear is my spool of thread. It's not the machine. Flip over to stretch stitch. Nice machine. Flip back over to regular. And from here, this is a Levi pocket. Seams and all. I'm going to go right through it with a size 16 needle. Well, except if it's got some thread hanging. Take care of that. No problem on the multiple layers of real denim. Hold it right through, even on the seams. Couple layers of leather, actually 3 layers of leather. No problem with that. That is your Kenmore model 1400.